Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little vloggy vlog. I'm gonna make some coffee because your girl is tired, and then I'm gonna open a really exciting package. I'm so excited. Okay, I ordered a package from an Etsy company and they are custom Disney ears. I will leave the company down below. Highly recommend to go check it out because these came so quick. I ordered them and they came like 2 days later. What? I'm so excited. I have not opened these yet. I was waiting to vlog it, not show you my address because I didn't want you to find me. It's a wrong way. Oh my gosh, you guys. You cannot tell me that these things are not cute. I'm a princess. Look how cute they are. Ah, I'm so excited. It has a 21 on it. I'm going to Disney World. Look how cute these are. I definitely recommend go check out this website. Look at them. Oh, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Obsessed. I had my meeting with Lululemon after I unboxed my ears. And it went good. It was good. Now I'm gonna take a shower because I need to wash my hair. I try to wash my hair every 2 days, 3 days about. It really just depends on what I'm doing. Since I just cut off like a bunch of my hair was this long, then I cut it off. Any hoodles, I'm gonna take a shower, do my hair, and I think I'm gonna make a TikTok of how I do my makeup. I've been seeing a lot of TikToks recently and it looks fun, so I'm gonna do it. And I kind of want to try a new makeup look. I went to the mall with my boyfriend when I went to go visit him, and we went into Sephora, and his rule is every time we go into a Sephora, he gets to do some eyeshadow on my eyes, and he did this green eyeshadow, and it was so cute. So, I think I'm gonna try some green eyeshadow. I also really want to film a video for Goriana today because I have some new pieces that I love, and I also want to do like a little giveaway for you all because you guys are the best. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm taking a shower. Before taking a shower, I decided I want to have a snack. So we're having some apples and peanut butter. It is a little bit later in the day, and I am now going to make some chicken for dinner. And it is the Trader Joe's all natural chicken, which I am so excited for. I'm going to add ground black pepper, some garlic, this is barbecue 101 seasoning, Old Bay, salt, citrusy garlic, and some normal garlic, as well as some lemon. This is what we are making today for dinner. Here is the meal prep that I made for the next couple of days. It's chicken, mashed potatoes, and some fries. But I don't really know how good these fries are, so I put the mashed potatoes in there as well. And then here is my dinner, the mashed potatoes, the fries, and the chicken. Dossier Perfumes sent me some of their perfumes, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing review with you guys because let me just tell you, I am obsessed. I really think it is worth the money because you get scents and signature scents that you love for a lot less than what the sticker price would be if you're going to like Sephora or Nordstrom's or buying a perfume online. I got 2 scents, one I haven't really wanted to try and one that I love, and it smells exactly the same. So the first one in this box right here is the Floral Honeysuckle. So this one comes with like a little card. It tells you what the fragrance notes and everything are and what it's inspired by. This is inspired by Gucci's Bloom Ude perfume, and this is the perfume I love. It smells exactly like it, and look how chic that bottle is. This is such a great present. I can't talk. This is such a great present if you want to give someone a perfume that they love and the bottle looks so chic, or if you just want to buy it for yourself. And then the other perfume that I got, why can I not talk? The other perfume that I got is the Oriental Oak Moss perfume, which is supposed to smell like Coco Mademoiselle Ude perfume by Chanel. It comes with the same card and then a little bottle. I mean, how cute are these bottles? The one I've been using a lot is the Oriental Oak Moss. It smells exactly like the Chanel perfume, and this one I have smelled and it smells so good. Also, I've worn these all day. I've worn these going to dinners, going to class, going out with friends. I've really worn these things to see if they last all day like other perfumes, and they do. So I highly recommend to go check out their perfume. I will have their website down below if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from them, but highly recommend. Right now, I'm going to have a liquid IV. Whoa! My camera be moving. I've had a long week, so now I'm going to rehydrate myself. I got my super cute Dr. Pepper cup. If you know me, you know I love Dr. Pepper. I've actually been taking pictures every single time I drink Dr. Pepper this year because I want to see how many Dr. Peppers I drink within a year. But we're gonna drink some liquid IV. This one is the guava flavor. I highly recommend that you go and try liquid IV. You can get it at Costco, Walmart, Target. You can get it at so many places. Or you can get it online and use my 25% discount code. I truly love liquid IV. I talk about it in probably every vlog because I drink this every single day because I just love it. And it makes me feel just rejuvenated, more energized, and also hydrated, which is important. And it tastes good. Even though I love Dr. Pepper, it's probably healthier to have a liquid IV than a Dr. Pepper. But highly recommend to go check them out. I'm gonna drink this now and do my religion homework, which your girl is so excited about. You just saw me wash my dishes. I just turned on my dishwasher and I'm back from the longest day of school ever. But I wanted to add a little more content to this vlog. Since I started off this vlog with me opening a package for my birthday, I thought I would end it with some Amazon packages that I got. I love Amazon. Amazon is like the best thing ever because you just order it and it comes like the next day. Whoa, I'm excited. What is this? I don't know what this is. Here is, oh, it's my happy birthday sash. Is my crown in here too? Is the question. It says a happy birthday to you. It's gonna be my birthday. Is the crown in here? I'm like a little concerned. Oh, it is. Okay, so we have this I'm finally 21 sash. It has like this little champagne thing. I would totally take it out, but since I need to bring this on a plane, I feel like maybe not the best decision. And then it came with this really cute crown that says 21. So I'm gonna wear the sash on my 21st birthday at Epcot and then wear the crown and the sash day after. No, I just got water in my cute little birthday box. Oh, I'm super excited. I'm really excited about that because I wanted a cute little sash and crown for my birthday to let the whole world know that it is my 21st birthday. I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna open my next package. And I think I know what this is. Yes, okay. So I got these little photo sticker things. There's 800 of them, which for $6, I feel like 800 like little tabby things, pretty nice. But I want to do some stuff with my film pictures, so I thought I would get something like this that sticks to the back of it, and it's a lot easier than putting a bunch of tape everywhere. That is all I have for this video. I thought I would just do some unboxing stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vloggy vlog. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the red button down below, become a part of my family, and hit that bell notification button so you are notified every single time I post a brand new video. And I hope that wherever you are, whether it's morning, afternoon, or night, that you have had an amazing day. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.